it's important to phrase the question purposely and actually get clear on, okay, once we make the choice and conscious decision, a lot of people are interested in living a life without pornography. And like they're somewhat interested, oh, this could be a really good thing. Like what I want these guys to, and this is stemming from like Tony Robbins' work of, decades, like the power of a decision. When you ultimately decide and commit to something, are you interested in that outcome, or are you committed to making that outcome a reality? Once you're committed to making that outcome a reality, I believe you're only going to fail or relapse for one of two reasons. Number one, you have a lack of inner belief within yourself. This happens kind of at the subconscious level. This is centered in the identity aspect. Like if you don't believe that you have the ability to live without pornography, you might as well not even start, because somewhere down the road, you may go 3 months, you may go 6 months. I've had conversations with guys that have gone a year, and then something happens in their life, chaotic, spirals out of control, all this stress begins to manifest, and then they revert back to, if not the same, many times worse behavior, because they didn't change the identity. So the first reason why I think a guy would fail is due to lack of belief in and of himself. Secondly, once you've committed to living a life without pornography, if you had the belief, the only other reason you would fail would be to lack of the ability to do the things necessary to live a porn-free life. And that would be a lack of a character trait. And I think a lot of people throw their arms up in the air, like, what do you mean character? Like, am I calling people bad people? That's not what I'm calling them, because I don't think you're born with character traits. These are things that we must develop over time: discipline, willpower, integrity, the ability to do the things that we say we're going to do. So once again, bring it all the way back to the beginning. Once you make that conscious choice and commitment to living life without pornography, the only reasons you would fail would be to lack of self-belief in and of yourself, or the lack of ability to do the things needed to live a porn-free life.